Let's begin.
What does jump on the bandwagon mean socially? Which idiom best replaces to fully trust someone's intentions? Which idiom most clearly functions as a hyperbole to emphasize difficulty? What does saved by the bell commonly mean? Which idiom best fits negotiating when both sides compromise? Which idiom shows avoidance by indirect speech, a politeness strategy? What does the ball is in your court mean? Which idiom means to give up a position or status voluntarily? Which idiom exemplifies antonomasia when a proper name replaces a general concept? What does break the ice mean in social contexts? Which idiom suggests be cautious with words to avoid offense? Which idiom demonstrates prolepsis by mentioning outcome before process completion? What does bite the bullet mean when used conversationally? Which idiom signals someone showing false friendliness for gain? Which idiom shows ironic understatement lightities in everyday speech?